Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook purple hull peas. First, let's talk about selecting the best peas. Look for fresh, firm pods that are vibrant in color. Once you have your peas, it's crucial to clean them properly. Rinse them thoroughly under cool, running water and sort through them, removing any debris or discolored peas. This ensures a clean and delicious base for your meal. Now, let's gather our essential ingredients for a truly flavorful dish. You'll need about 4 cups of fresh purple hull peas. For that classic, smoky depth, I highly recommend adding 1 smoked ham hock. This really elevates the taste. Also, chop 1 small onion and mince 2 cloves of garlic. These aromatics will build a wonderful foundation for your peas. To begin cooking, place your cleaned peas, the ham hock, chopped onion, and minced garlic into a large pot. Cover everything with about 6 to 8 cups of water or chicken broth. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let it cook for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the peas are tender. Once your peas are perfectly tender, carefully remove the ham hock from the pot. Shred the meat from the bone and return it to the peas. Now, it's time to season. Add salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a dash of your favorite hot sauce to taste. Serve these delicious purple hull peas hot, perhaps alongside some warm cornbread or over fluffy white rice. Enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.